Well, here we are at the wetlands, where there's shed loads of people. But I'm gonna have to go. Off we go. So hello dear viewer, it's Dave here, fat lad on a bike, and you're behind us today, which makes a change, doesn't it? A new camera position that I'm trying out just to see how it goes, and leaving the wetlands now and heading homeward. Come on. So yes, camera placement behind, so that you can see what we can see, as it were. I hope it's going to be alright. I've not tried it here in anger, so we'll try it now and see what occurs. Hopefully everything will work out well enough. We shall see. We shall see. It's mostly curves and what have you that I want to see how it works. So yes, I should let you know what's coming up really. In the next few weeks I shall be, courtesy of Coopers, the BMW Motorrad dealers that I deal with, they're giving me 5 days of test rides. We're going to have 310GS, we're going to have an F700GS, an F850GS Adventure, an R1200GS Adventure lowered chassis, and AN other. And I haven't decided what the AN other is yet. Could be anything. We shall see what we shall see when we see it. So, you know, if you've got any requests, drop them in the comments down below, and we'll see what we can do. Now I should point out that I won't be looking at a 1000RR, because I'm not stupid, they're mental, and I haven't been riding long enough to take one of those on. Somebody suggested an XR, and that's kind of in the GS family. I might have a look at that. But there's RTs, there's 1250Rs, there's 1250RS I think. There's all kinds. Anyway, so if you've any ideas, do let me know, and we'll see where we go. You never know what's going to happen. Also, I shall be on June the 1st partaking in the Bikewise course. Going to have me riding checked by a serving Class 1 police rider. So we'll find out just how decent a rider I am. And hopefully they're going to let me film that as well, so that should be fun. I'm quite looking forward to that. Now, because I do like to show people things of interest, where are you going? A very strange thing. We're going to go down past Worm Hill, which is the hill that the Lambton worm wrapped its tail 10 times round. And that's it over there, in the direction I'm facing now, and off to the right, and it's way smaller than Pencher Hill. It wasn't Pencher Hill that the worm lapped its tail round, it was that which is Worm Hill. So there you have it, that's where it is, much smaller hill. So yes, we have this this camera behind me there now. I'd love to know what you think of the view of it. I won't know until I've done the edit. And I must admit it is handy that it's in my right hand mirror, because I can see it all the time, which is good. So just in case I need to stop off anywhere on the road back, can I say thank you very much for watching, for sticking with me so far. If you're new to the channel, welcome along. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for your time and energy spent watching my bits of daft things. And if you're first time on the channel, please do subscribe, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, all of that kind of stuff. It'll all be gratefully received and faithfully applied, I believe is kind of the phraseology that one uses. Right, so for me, Dave the fat lad on a bike, thanks for watching, see you next time. Till then, ta-ta, bye bye.